How to find people nearby on Telegram. So if you want to find people nearby on Telegram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, you need to just go with the contacts section, which will be right here on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on your contacts, as you can see that you will find people nearby option on the first. You need to tap on the option, but you'll only find this option if you turn on your location for Telegram. So make sure that you've given access for the location on your Telegram application, and then you'll find the application. You need to just tap on it, and once you tap on people nearby, you'll have this kind of interface. You just need simply choose make myself visible or groups nearby. And now if you are visible somewhere, then you need to tap on the button which is right here on the middle of your screen, and after that you'll be able to exchange contact info with the people nearby and find new friends. That's how it works, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.